Molweni Dimelang guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Thandeka Magesi. Guys, little limpana ke aperilamba cause wa bata and imfuthulamba. We're in town. I'm with my man and his DJ, his resident DJ. We are here to to put on posters to put on events. I don't know if I'm saying the right things, but we are here to paste event posters here in town, on taxis, on buildings, and I have something to show you guys. We have a new menu. The last time it was black and orange and the prices were a bit lower. Now we have this. I hope you guys can see because I don't have my tripod, but my lips are itching. But we have a new menu and we laminated the menu so we can post it or paste it outside. It looks too good, and let me see if my ID is still intact, Sana, because I know this man loves losing stuff, Sana, like wala shaman enopakela fela. I want my ID. Cut to say that clap cut. Ashe. Show Bon. Mhle. Akina cut. Leave it. Can I smart shop or what? Mara refita Pick and Pay. Make a ready song. I got my little smart card. Smart shop. Now I don't wanna work government. It's cold and I get sick easily and give a week. Sick. I have this thing of like. Are you cool? I wanna have an ADHD. La bona hai. When I was growing up, like when I was younger than I am and still living at home, I was not a person that is like that gets sick, man. With my flu flu hango behind even I'm to a point where I can't like stand up, but nowadays kapuku hula motamdim hakiti makina hula. Recently, hey, 2020, last year, kage tshwara ke flu enngwe. Ke tseba ha ke tshwara ke flu ke hotla 2 days. The third day I'm fine, like ha ke sana flu. I just have a blocked nose. That's it. Ka ngobile fail flu. Ka ngobile flu, guys. Indeed, what's about Hundia? Project. So, no jacks about the toilet. Come to Maria. Young Reba, le flu. Hi guys. Today's a new day. It's a vlog. There's literally nothing. I said I'm gonna vlog even if there's nothing I'm doing. I am sick. I have flu this year. Sana kitkala kula jana because na kimotakulang. Like sana kula hle. So ke flu, ke khathetse. I've been waiting for my period. I think it's gonna start like the next coming days. I think 3 to 4 days from now. Because I said to you last week, That was last week when I said I'm waiting for my period, but my period is gonna come next, like, few days from now. So I'm just sitting. I'm making boiled eggs because I'm not hungry, but I feel like snacking on something. So I've been craving boiled eggs, and after that I'm gonna eat a pineapple. Ke tlo le bontshana pineapple ke kata jwang the way I like it. Oh yeah, so stay tuned. We are at KFC. Bye.
got my man got fries and breast strips. That's what he got. And the wings in it.
The chicken strips. It's all these of us.
And then I got all Starbucks. Yeah, how do you do it? Yeah. Yeah, you know. And also, look at how it's cold. Look at how why am I sitting on my expensive?
Another day into the vlog. I'm in the toilet. We are at Balcom at Cash Crusaders to buy an amplifier, but it's not in stock right now, so we decided to pay for it and then we'll come and get it on Thursday, I think, because they said it will be here on Thursday. So we'll come and get it on Thursday. I don't know where we're going now because we came specifically for the amplifier. Guys, at least the toilets in a had busy hakalo jalo ka tsa mmolong. Go go ke fa sa bateng public toilets when you have hook. But hey, TMI, sorry for that. I'm about to leave now. Yeah, I'll tell you guys where we're going after. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. Love you.
Hey guys, we're at Spur to get food because we didn't find the things that we wanted. Out of the we went to Fantasia. Fantasia is closed on Mondays and Tuesdays, so we decided to come to Spur to get food and maybe have a toast in because my man is angry at the fact that he didn't find the amplifier that he wanted.
And my friend here, my friend's got this. I forgot it, guys. I was busy doing my hair and the cable's already outside, so I forgot it on the table there. I want to get pause, man. Okay, it's a couple. We got.
Guys, this is what we're having. guys, we're back. I just want to do some unboxing. I went to Planet Nails to get stuff for my lash business, things that I was short of. I bought this cute mirror. Guys, buying from Planet Nails is very expensive, like very pricey. I don't remember when I give guys, but I bought this mirror for my clients to check themselves, do this kind of cute thingy. I already opened this one, but I bought lashes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of them are different sizes, and it's individual lashes, different sizes. I bought new gloves. I wasn't using gloves, but now I'm using gloves. And I got a glue holder. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 eye masks. This one is one of those ones I opened. I got this for the hair, to put like conditioner and water. And then I got this comb for my hair as well. I already used it in town, a wide tooth comb. And then these are just my man's new shoes. Yeah, matching, but he got a different color from my shoes. Let me show you all my shoes first for you to understand that they are matching. Mine are kind of old because I bought it, but them think kind of 2 months ago. Yeah, a month ago I think. And they're kind of green and gray, like they change color. And here are my nails.
I begin to
to get a new machine, so we decided to take the one that is in the shop because the stock that I had is fatty. So this one a promotioning in and then we decided to take that one. So I had to take a color box, but we took it and we bought a new wardrobe. And yeah, guys, we're doing grown-up purchases, and at least hasika the account to hasika cash only, which is good because that will be monthly. It's so special. Unbox this one, and the machine I'm gonna unbox it later. My man wants to unbox so bad. So unbox it.
But that's not all of it.
But that's not all, son. Good. See, back here. How it looks, guys. So cool. So big. Hi guys, I just want, like, it's later on the day. I just wanted to close this vlog. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope we get to 70 subscribers, and I really am grateful for that. I am grateful for you guys. Please comment, please share, please subscribe, please like. But I wanna highly stop it. If you are shy to comment, just comment hearts, and then whatever that you wanted to ask in my DMs. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, for liking, commenting, and sharing. And little international viewers, thank you guys so much. Have a lovely week or day or afternoon, morning. Have a lovely, lovely, lovely everything.